Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing this Sneak energy drink. I was bought this for my birthday to try. Let's open it up, shall we, and see what you get in the box. Get a nice smart box. I've got Sneak on it. And let's open this up and see what we get in there, shall we? We've got a nice bottle with the Sneak logo on it. Grab it. And then we've got some flavours to try. So I'll be trying these over the next couple of days and see how we feel for each flavour. See if they're any good. Let's have a look at some of these flavours, shall we? So we've got bubblegum, millions. We've got million strawberries. We've got sour apple. We've got Tropicala. We've got strawberry and watermelon. We've got purple storm. That sounds like a weird one. And we've got raspberry and lemon. That sounds nice. Ooh, another one. Cherry bomb. That might be good. And blue raspberry. We'll give them a go, shall we? Obviously not all at once. Blow me blimmin' head off. But I'm going to try some of them over the next couple of days, and I'll let you know how I get on. Okay, so taking the bottle out of the wrapping, and I've given it a little wash out as well. You can see it comes with this, like a little mixer. As you can see there, put it in there. So we're going to try one of these flavours today. I'm going to try strawberry and watermelon. It's my first day trying it. Let's see what it's like. So, I believe just tear it open like that. Tip it in like that. I won't do this every single one, it's bore you. But yeah, tip it all in. Get it all in there, don't be shy, your mother wasn't. Right, let's add some water to that, shall we? Okay, so I've added my water. Oh, it's a lovely colour. Oh, that's very strong. Oh, you can smell that watermelon. Very strong. It smells like a fizzy watermelon, like a sherbety. That's got a smell. Right, pop your lid on, nice and tight. Give it a damn good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, lid ain't that great. That is not good. Look, it's pissing out everywhere. Take it off, put it back on again. Might be me. Oh, I can't open it now. Right, we'll just go with it. Let's give it a go, shall we? Let's see what it tastes like. That's actually really nice. You get like the strawberry taste, straight away. And then like a watermelon, straight away, bang, with the watermelon taste. That's really refreshing. Let's see if that gives you much energy, shall we? It's got high caffeine, I think, in these. So yeah, it's got a lot of caffeine in these, and I'll let you know how my day went. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, thanks for coming back. Yesterday I tried the watermelon one, strawberry and watermelon. Made a fatal mistake. I drank the whole lot in the morning, and throughout the day I sort of like was high. Then I made a major crash, so it's not a good idea to do that, so drink it throughout the day apparently. Noob there. We're going to try this one today, Purple Storm. So we'll give this one a go, see what this one's like. Purple Storm, I don't know what that's about. The other one had watermelon and strawberry, this is Purple Storm. I don't know if it's raspberry or what, or don't know. Let's get it in there. Get it all in there. Add me water. There we go. Now yesterday when I did this up, I didn't do it up properly and it went everywhere. So today let's do this properly. Let's put it on there slowly. Put it around slowly. There we go. You get a better seal if you do it slowly instead of rushing. Put your lid on. Give it another good shake. That's better. Getting better at this. So yeah, mix it up. Let's see what this one smells like. I don't know. Like a bubblegummy, not bubblegum, like a grape kind of maybe taste, or flavour, sorry. It's dark purple, you can't see it in the bottle there, but it's like a dark purpley sort of colour, hence the name. Let's give it a go, see what it's like, shall we? Ooh, I don't really like that one, to be honest, yeah. A bit chalky. It's not really a distinctive taste, it's just chalky and okay, I'll see how I get on with that one today, but I'm going to sip it throughout the day this time and not down it all in one go, and yeah, anyway, wish me luck. Hi and welcome back. Yesterday we tried the Purple Storm. I'm only going to do one more video and one more flavour in this video, which this one's going to be the raspberry and lemon. Yesterday I said I didn't really like it, I'll be honest with you, I drank it throughout the day and it did grow on me, it was nice, and my concentration was really good at work. Got a lot more done, more focused. It was better to sip it throughout the day, like I say, don't rush it. Would I recommend that one? Possibly, yeah, if it's the last one in the box, maybe as in sample, it's worth drinking, but not my favourite so far. Early days. Anyway, let's give this one a go. Let's open this bottle up. As I said, it's got to be nice and give this one a go, see what this one's like today. Sip it in. Get it all in there. Don't be shy. So I won't say it again. Right, let me load this up with water. Oh, this one's a nice colour. This one's like a, oh, it smells beautiful. Oh, that's strong. Very strong. That's a lemon, obviously. It says it on the packet. Lemon and no, raspberry. Sorry, raspberry. I got it wrong. Raspberry and lemon. Whew, that's very strong. Anyway, put the lid back on. Nice and gently. Don't mess up like the first time. Give that a shake. Shake, 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 shake. Right, let's give it a go. Whew, that's very strong. As soon as you put your mouth to it, it takes your breath away. Right, let's go. Yeah, that's nice. Lemon sherbet, very, very strong, very strong. It's like sweet as well as making it like, yeah. Wish me luck with this one today. I'll sip this one throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm back. That's the end of the day of that one we had today, the lemon raspberry one. Out of the three I've tried this week, well, I say this week, these last couple of days, I'd have to say it's probably the first one, the watermelon and strawberry. The purple one was okay, liked it a little bit, got used to it. This one, the latest one I just tried, is too sweet, as I said. Nah, it's not my favourite. But yeah, that's my reviews on those flavours. I will be doing other videos shortly, and I'll let you know how I get on. Thank you.